Welcome to the Compost channel. Today we're exploring an amazing farming method from the 19th century. Many people see soil as an empty container, used only to dump chemical fertilizers at the start of the season. In reality, soil is a massive living organism that needs to be nourished and cared for properly every day. That's why the method of burying rotting wood underground was developed, to mimic natural processes. When we bury decaying logs deep in the ground, a powerful ecosystem begins to form. Unlike conventional fertilizers that work short-term, rotting wood acts as a long-lasting food source. The huge amount of carbon within the wood fibers breaks down very slowly over many years. This process can continuously supply nutrients to plants for anywhere from 5 to 20 years. Plants will never run out of energy, helping them stay lush and healthy for decades. The second benefit is the incredible water retention of the underground wood system. These porous logs act like giant sponges, absorbing and holding large amounts of rainwater. During harsh, dry months, this stored water gradually seeps back into the plant root zone. As a result, your garden can withstand drought conditions up to 3 times better than usual. You'll save a huge amount of time and effort on watering while your plants continue to thrive. Next is the ability to generate warmth from deep within, a true natural miracle. As microorganisms break down the wood, they continuously release a significant amount of heat. This heat keeps the soil about 2 to 4 degrees Celsius warmer than the surrounding environment. This warmth is especially helpful in spring, helping seeds germinate faster and stronger. It also extends the growing season into late fall, delivering outstanding yields. The fourth major benefit is the activation of a powerful underground fungal network. Decaying wood is the perfect home for tiny fungal threads to grow and spread. This fungal network connects directly to plant roots, forming an advanced nutrient exchange system. Fungi help roots reach farther to find minerals, while plants supply sugars to feed the fungi. This amazing partnership even allows plants to send warning signals when diseases attack. The fifth magical aspect of this method is its ability to naturally build soil fertility over time. As the wood decomposes, it creates an ideal environment that attracts millions of earthworms. Earthworms constantly move and dig, creating tiny tunnels that improve soil aeration. Their castings are an incredibly rich natural fertilizer, far more nutritious than regular soil. Because of this, the topsoil layer doesn't diminish. It actually grows thicker with each season. Now, let's take a look at the sixth principle: how to build this layered structure. First, dig a trench and place the largest, hardest logs at the very bottom. This core wood layer acts as a strong foundation, storing water and providing long-term carbon. Next, stack smaller branches, twigs, and dry leaves to fill in the larger gaps. Then add nitrogen-rich green materials like grass clippings, manure, or clean kitchen scraps. The combination of carbon from wood and nitrogen from green materials creates the perfect decomposition ratio. Finally, cover everything with a thick layer of topsoil, ready for planting. In a short time, microorganisms will transform this material into rich, fertile soil. Young plant roots will easily grow through the loose topsoil to reach the nutrients below. This method isn't just for large farms. It works just as well in small gardens. You can easily build raised, mound-style beds even in a small backyard. These elevated beds capture sunlight more efficiently, giving your plants a great advantage. Even better, they reduce the need to bend over while caring for and harvesting crops. The biodiversity in your garden will increase significantly after just a few growing seasons. Beneficial insects will move in, naturally controlling pests. Birds will also be attracted to this rich environment, creating a peaceful natural harmony. This ancient technique proves that nature always has perfect solutions to our problems. Instead of trying to control and exploit the soil, we should learn to respect and work with it. A healthy garden starts with living soil, where every organism plays its role. From invisible bacteria to towering trees, everything is connected in a larger cycle. Every fallen branch is not waste, it's the beginning of new life. Imagine a future where agriculture doesn't rely on harmful chemicals or heavy machinery. We can create green oases that provide clean, safe food. Our children will breathe fresh air and play on soft, living grass. This is not a distant dream. It's something we can start today. By applying the wisdom of those before us, we begin to heal the wounds of Mother Nature. Every log buried in the soil is a commitment to a brighter, more sustainable future. You don't need to be an expert to start this journey right at home. All it takes is a little patience, a bit of passion, and a genuine love for the soil. Nature always rewards those who truly respect and understand its laws. Lush green vegetables and ripe, juicy tomatoes will be the clearest proof of your success. Food grown in living soil always tastes richer and sweeter than anything else. It's the flavor of life, of love for nature, and of steady effort through all 4 seasons. Share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family to spread a greener lifestyle. The more people adopt it, the faster we can restore degraded land. The earth is our only home. Let's protect it through small but meaningful actions. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video about this incredible farming method. Don't forget to subscribe to the Compost channel for more great content. See you in the next video.